We have some breaking news. The cryptocurrency market crashed. Nearly $1 billion wiped out in the crypto market. A lot of altcoins have seen their biggest crash in 2 years. In 2 years, this is the biggest crash we've seen. Now, let me tell you exactly what is going on. I'm going to be very quick, short, and get to the point so you can understand what's going on, but understand most importantly the truth of what is going on. So ultimately, there was manipulation by Maxiport, which is an analyst saying that the Bitcoin ETFs are going to be rejected. So an analyst came out and saying that we think that the Bitcoin ETFs are going to now be rejected. And then we have this Twitter account called The Block, and they're quoting them saying the SEC will reject all spot Bitcoin ETFs in January. And this is what has crashed the crypto market. However, there is more to the story. What's very interesting is that these same people, Matrixport, whatever you want to call them, Matrixport says that this was yesterday. Bitcoin spot ETF approval imminent. Bitcoin to jump to $50,000. So yesterday they said Bitcoin is going to go to 50,000, and today they made a report saying that the Bitcoin ETFs will be denied. Now the SEC has now come out saying that the ETFs are going to be denied, and I think that it's almost impossible for the Bitcoin ETFs to be denied. The worst case scenario, in my opinion, is that the ETFs will be delayed, but I do not see that happening. Now, if we go to my Twitter page, which I highly recommend you follow and check out because I always post the latest and greatest information regarding crypto news. I'm always on top of it. You guys need to be following me. But here's the thing. Matrixport, they have the people that are running it. They're mostly Democrats. They don't like crypto. And these are people that don't like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So this is market manipulation. And what people will do is they will use news outlets, news sources like this, their power, and control the media to dump prices so that they can short and make money. And then also they can buy at a dip and a discount. Something very interesting is that these two analysts who have been really focusing on the Bitcoin ETF approvals and the applications and the applicants and the process of the Bitcoin ETFs, they are still giving a plus 90% chance of these approvals in January, by January 10th. And they are saying that there is nothing in the way that they've understood, especially from the SEC, that's going to cause these ETFs to be denied. And they're extremely confident, especially with several key factors, which you can go over on my Twitter page. Like the grayscale legal victory, the SEC's increased engagement with the issuers. And this is one of the most important parts. Now, when you file an ETF, there's conversations that are done with the SEC. And the SEC is like, hey, can you fix this? And can you do this and do that? And they're constantly doing it. And it's been updated and being updated these past several weeks with a lot of these applicants like BlackRock and Fidelity. So everything that we are seeing, you can even see these ETFs are live on these ETFs websites. They have the ticker symbols. Everything is ready to go. If the ETFs were to be denied, they would not have gotten that far. And I'm sure a lot of you already understand this information. But however, let me just sum it up to you that this was just FUD. It was fake information. It was an analyst coming out saying, oh, I think it's going to be denied. So the market basically crashed because of that. So it's fake news. Every type of fake news that we've seen the past several months has been completely recovered. And we are in a bull market still. So Bitcoin basically has crashed 10%, 11% from the top to the bottom, which is an amazing opportunity for us to buy altcoins, especially. Let me show you, look at this. XRP crashed all the way down to 49 cents. So XRP crashed 20%. It's already bounced up 13%. Look at this Cardano, already bounced up 10%. Solana's already bounced up 15%. Matic crashed huge, already bounced up 16%. We have ICP. This coin here has already bounced up 15%, but it's still green on the day. It's a coin that I've been talking about the last couple of days. Incredible what's happening. So I think that this is potentially a really good buying opportunity for altcoins. Altcoins are the way to make money. the most money in this market is a really good opportunity to buy altcoins, in my opinion. Whenever you see these flash crashes or flash dumps in a bull market, which we are in a bull market, these are the times to buy, especially if there's no real news. If the Bitcoin ETFs were actually denied, we might have seen a bigger crash, but guess what? The market is going to bottom and it's going to start to go back up again, because guess what? The ETFs aren't going to be denied, but they would be delayed. And I don't think we would have seen a crash like this. Another reason why we did crash like this is because the amount of leverage in this market is extremely high. Funding rates are crazy, and now that's kind of evened out everything. These crashes are very healthy for markets, and they happen all the time, and they are always going to be there in the bull markets. We're going to see even bigger flash crashes like this in the future, and it's very healthy because you have a lot of leverage out there in the futures market, and it needs to be evened out. So whenever they flash crash like this, it wipes out a lot of that leverage and allows the market to be more bullish and more healthy with healthier price action. So this is actually good that this happened today. It's going to allow the prices to go up even further. Now make sure you guys are on my Patreon, where we bought the Bitcoin bottom just a couple of days ago. We bought the Bitcoin bottom here, and we wrote it up all the way for this gain, where me and my followers made over $8,000 on this single trade, which you guys can have access to by joining the Patreon right below. Also, you need to be using my Algosniper trading indicator, which gave a sell alert before this crash even took place. You guys can try Algosniper today for free at algosniper.com. If you guys want to be trading cryptocurrencies on leverage, I have two platforms which you can check out in the link in my video description. One is going to be Blowfin. They're giving away thousands of dollars of free money, especially if you are in the US. You can use it. You don't need to register with KYC or VPN, nothing. If you are not in the US, another good platform to trade it on is Woo. Highly recommend checking that out as well. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.